BJP Manipur Pradesh has questioned the silence of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi regarding protests by students and unemployed youth in Jharkhand over recruitment irregularities, contrasting it with his active participation in the recent NEET paper leak protest at Jantar Mantar. Addressing a press meet today at Thambal Shanglin, Nitai Pajatek, BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President and President in charge and Nimbus highlighted the intense agitations in Jharkhand over alleged irregularities in exams conducted by the Jharkhand Public Service Commission. He maintained that political leaders should not differentiate between student protests based on whether a state is ruled by the BJP or the India Alliance, but should instead treat all youth equally. Nimbus strongly condemned the use of excessive force against student protesters by security forces in Ranchi, calling it unfortunate. The BJP leader further questioned whether Rahul Gandhi ought to actively support the ongoing protests in Jharkhand if he is genuinely concerned about the future of students. He further called on political parties to stop selectively supporting protests, disrupting parliament over the NEET exam row, and spreading false narratives across the country.
Karidamakta adugumba Jantar Mantar thokiba NEET ki paper leak oibigi wafam madu parliamenta Khanasi na haiba matamda mahang madudagi nathairaga mahaki goal post amu hongdokibise masina kari atopa agenda mano akoina ngasi naharon singda praja singda thamjaningdi akoi parliament session ama phambada nongmada lupa crore mapangi nongmada lupa crore mapangi expenditure se parliament session amagi nongmada satle adugumba parliament session ama phamnaba honaba amasung madugi parliament session phambagi maramsidi akoi discussion tawse haina haibni